Welcome to the K-Dub channel. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's doing good. Alright, so today before we get started with our unboxing, I would like to remind everybody we're doing the 100 sub giveaway. So once we hit 100 subs, there'll be a giveaway. And these are the prizes so far. We have the Pin Collection Shiny Legend Mewtwo. Alright, beautiful. As well as we have 4 Dollar Tree booster packs, all Cosmic Eclipse. And we have 2 Dragon Majesty packs. Alright, so look at this. For 100 subs. So once we get 100 subs, we got prizes. Alright, so don't forget, subscribe, share this video, share the channel. Alright, so today's unboxing, we have a tin of Flareon GX10. Here we go. Put that there. And in this tin, you get 1 of 3 foil Pokemon GX, Flareon GX, Jolteon, or Vaporeon. You get 4 Pokemon booster packs and a code card. Alright, so we got the Flareon. And for our sleeves, we are doing Cosmic Eclipse. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. A tough one. Alright. Throw that over there. Let's see. Alright, let's check out this code card. If it lets me take it out. Alright, here we are. It is off center, but it's a beautiful card. Beautiful promo. You can see it's a little off center. Alright, let's leave this bad boy up. Here we go. Put that one there. Of course, we got Lucky Lapras right here. Alright. Put that to the side. And here are our packs. So in this Flareon pack, move this to the side for now. This one back there. Alright. So we have 2 Cosmic Eclipse, 1 Crimson Invasion, 1 Steam Siege. So we got 2 good packs. Crimson Invasion, nah, not really. Alright, so let's get into the first pack. Here we go. See what we pull. So to check out my past, here's the code card. My past video, I'll link it right here in the corner. So click right there. My previous video. Go ahead and check it out. And I think I did that wrong. It looks like I did. So hold on, guys. Let's see. Alright, so we got a Trainer, Klefki, Armor Dino, Chimchar, Rufflet, Shilos, Clouch, a reverse Hollow Mankey, and for the rare we got a Pro Boss. Look at his beard. Alright. So nothing good. Can't expect after Steam Siege though, guys. Alright. You know what? Let's throw those over there. Alright, for the code card. Here we are. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? Yes. Alright, got Energy, Arkle, Kakuna, Larion, Mankey, Swinswap, Swinub, Kania, Bumbly. So go ahead and comment down below and let me know what's your favorite Pokemon, as well as what is your favorite set. newer set. A reverse hollow midriff and a red rock for the non-hollow. Alright. Let's get into some of these cosmic eclipse. Alright. See what we got in for today's pool. Here we go. So even though you get a green code, you can still pull a character card. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Datrix, Lily Full Force, North Resolute, Parnard, Leo, Coffin, Nose Passes, Snort, a Stuffle for the reverse, and a Beware. Alright, so we got nothing so far, guys. These packs, man. These packs. You guys probably can't hear my dog. She's hearing me record and she, I don't know, she wants my attention. But right now, all my fans out there have my attention. Alright, here's the code card. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, oh, and they're upside down. We got Energy, Torkoal, Gloom, Floret, Onyx, T-Pig, a Lowland Sandshrew, a Snorunt, a Coffin. We got a Duskull for the reverse hollow and a non-hollow Eucerin. Yeah. It's concentrating, guys. That looks like he got a tear right there. Alright, so I guess in this 10 we didn't pull nothing good. It's alright. We still got one more. We have this Pokeball. Alright. What's inside a Pokeball? The answer is Pokemon cards, of course. Alright, let's get into this Pokeball. Let me know if you like these Pokeball, if you collect these Pokeballs. I do. I'm trying to collect them all. So, getting there, guys. Oh man, hold on. Try to pull this off. Again, guys, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit the notification. Have more content coming your way. Alright, here we go, the Pokeball. Looks good. Can't get it, guys. Got no strength. Hold on. Oh man, really? It's not gonna let me open it, guys. Hold on. We'll be back. Let me open this. Alright, I think I got it, guys. Whew! That was a tough ball right there. Alright, here we go. Put that there. Here, put our packs here real quick. And put that there. And here is our coin. Alright. Put our coin there. And we got some Steam Siege, some Sun and Moon Garden Rising, and the base set Sun and Moon. So we'll start with Steam Siege. Let's see what we are not going to pull in this pack today. Alright. Here's the code card. Let's see. Steam Siege XY3, I believe. Alright, let's see. Nuffleaf. Oops. Claw. Pawniard. Ponyta. It's a cool Pointa. Looking outside in that sunlight. Clink. Mantine. Joltix. A reverse hollow Dewott. And a Nidoking for the non-hollow. It's a cool artwork though. Alright. I like it. I'm digging it. Alright, let's start with, let's do Let's do Guardian Rising. Let's see what we got in this pack. Alright. Here's the code card. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. We got Water Energy, Vanlish, some ice cream, Whimsicott, Alolan Vulpix, Chansey, Petilil, Trubbish. Hey, just jumping ahead, guys. Machop, checking out them guns. Alter Morning for reverse holo, and a Mimikyu for the holo. Alright, so we got our first pull out of almost 6 packs. That's right, no worries. And here is our Sun and Moon. Got base set. Code card. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got Metal Energy, Poliwhirl, Brony, Timer Ball, Circus, Growlithe, Growlball, Merlin, Rogular. These are a tough one. And we got a Sharpedo for the reverse holo. This one looks cool. I've never seen this one. Alright. And a Toucan for the non-holo. Alright, so that was a tough pack, everybody. Tough packs. Tough opening, but hey, it's all fun, right? So this is all our promo Flareon GX and a non-holo, a holo Mimikyu. This one kind of scares me. I don't know if it scares you guys. Alright, so that was not the opening today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys pulled better cards than I did. But hey, it's all fun and game. So don't forget, 100 subscriber giveaway. We have the Shiny Legend Pin Collection. And some Dollar Tree and Dragon Majesty packs. Alright, so don't forget, go subscribe. Smash that like button and stay tuned for some more content. K-Dub out.